8 years. I'm studying second class.
ఇది నా కోసం తెచ్చిన కేక్ అని చెప్పు.
This is my cake. This is my cake. This is chocolates. This is candles.
That is balloon.
బెలూన్ చూపిలా.
This is balloons. Decorations. Bye friends.
వీళ్ళందరూ మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెప్పు.
We are my friends.
These are all my friends.
These are all my friends. Bye. Thank you friends.
ఇంకా అంతేనా? లైక్ షేర్
Like and share and subscribe friends. Thank you.